Now, let me carefully explain how to fix pixelated or blurry video quality for you in detail, step by step. Now let's begin by carefully checking the video quality settings during export in iMovie to ensure everything looks perfect. Before saving, you must set the quality to 1080p. As you can see here, let's go into the settings, where we can adjust it properly. Set it to 1080p. You can even choose 4K if you have a good phone that can handle the higher resolution effectively. Now, let's ensure you set the frame rate correctly. Instead of 30 FPS, make sure to select 60 FPS for smoother playback. After that, adjust the lower settings here as well. Now let's look here. This will greatly help during export, ensuring your video won't be pixelated. Pixelated video can be fixed. After that, in your project, you should not just expand your video, but also enhance its quality. For your video, avoid this method as it will lead to pixelation. If your project was set correctly, just like this, leave it as is. After that, avoid using high-resolution source files to prevent any quality issues. As you can see here, quality from TikTok or Telegram is often compressed, so it's better to avoid it. Use original files directly from your camera for the best quality. That's all. Thank you, everyone. As you can see here, thank you all for watching. Wishing everyone good luck and goodbye.